Family trip, visiting our grandparents.
Last month, Grandpa and Grandma phoned Mum and invited us to visit them. So, last weekend, we visited Grandma and Grandpa. They live 4 hours from our home. They live in the countryside. On Saturday, we woke up early, at 6 o'clock. We had already packed our bags. Mom has made some sandwiches to us. And Dad has driven until there. He is a good driver. We have arrived there at lunchtime. Grandma cooks very well. She has made my favorite dessert, chocolate cake. We have planned together our weekend. On the first day, we played with the dogs. Grandma and Grandpa love animals. They have 4 dogs. We also have swum on the lake. And at night, we camped in the garden and roasted marshmallow over the campfire with the neighbors. On Sunday, I cooked with Grandma. It was funny. And also washed the dishes. On Saturday afternoon, we walked together and could see beautiful butterflies. Grandpa has read fantastic stories to us. We loved it. On the last day, a photographer took photos from our family. It was a gift to Grandpa and Grandma. Now I am at home, and I miss them. I love Grandma and Grandpa. But in the summer we will be back.
What about subscribing my channel?